We are Wuxi GongBu, a professional manufacturer and solution provider for the fastener industry. We specialize in nut former machines, tooling dies and molds for bolt and nut formers, and high-quality customized fastener parts. With advanced manufacturing capabilities and strict quality control, we deliver reliable and precise solutions tailored to your production needs. We also offer complete services for second-hand nut, former and bolt former machines, including sourcing, professional refurbishment, testing, and delivery in the best working condition. From tooling to complete machine solutions, Wuxi GongBu is your trusted partner for efficient and cost-effective fastener production. Wuxi GongBu, Fastening Solution Provider.